Good day, our lovely learners. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explain the difference between little and a little, few and a few. If you would like a bit of help with this grammar, stay with me up to the end of this video. And after this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of the rule. Let's get started. Sometimes it can be confusing to use little or a little, few or a few. In order to use these words correctly, we need to remember that some nouns can be countable. It means you can count them like 1, 2, 3 and so on. And some nouns can be uncountable, so you can't count them. Little, a little, few and a few show an amount of something that the person has. A few and few show that the possession is countable. A little and little show that the possession is uncountable. Let's see some examples using the topic of food. We use a little and a few to say that we have enough of something for now. For example, I have a few apples in the fridge. I can count apples, so I used a few to make a sentence. In this example, a few apples means that I don't have a lot of apples, but I have some, and this amount is enough for me. I have a few biscuits. If my friends come to me, I will share biscuits with them. I will share because the amount of biscuits is enough. I have a little milk in the fridge. In this example, I can't count milk, so I used a little to make a sentence. A little milk means that I don't have a lot of milk, but it is enough for me. I don't need to go to the shop. I have a little milk, so it is enough to add it to my coffee. We use little and few. These words are without the article to say that we don't have much or many of something. For example, I have few apples in the fridge. I can count apples, so I used few to make a sentence. In this example, few apples means that the amount of the apples are not many and I need to buy more. I have few biscuits. If my friends come to me, I can't share biscuits with them. I will not share because the amount of biscuits is not enough. I have little milk in the fridge. I can't count milk, so I used little to make a sentence. In this example, a little milk means that the amount of the milk is not much and I need to buy more. I have a little milk and I can't put it to my coffee. It is not enough. Please compare. I have a few apples in the fridge. I'm happy. The amount of apples is enough for me. I have few apples in the fridge. I'm not happy. The amount of apples is not enough for me. I have a little milk in the fridge. I'm happy. The amount of milk is enough for me. I have little milk in the fridge. The amount of milk is not enough for me. I have a few friends. It means I'm not alone. I have few friends. It means I feel lonely. There is a little rice in the fridge. Good. it is enough for dinner. There is a little rice in the fridge. Well, it's not enough for dinner. I have to buy more. I hope it was a clear explanation. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description to do the free grammar quiz. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.